have been to, have been to, wagiye ahantu uvayo, have gone to, wagiye ahantu ariko nturagaruka kugeza magingo aya. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye gutandukanya amagambo nka have been to vs have gone to, already vs just, never vs ever. Mbibutse yuko niba ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'icyongereza twandikire kuri nimero ubona aho hasi muri screen yawe. Just vs already. Dutangire kuri just. Dukoresha just tuvuga ku gikorwa kimaze kuba mu kanya gato gahise. Examples: I have just finished my homework. I have just finished my homework. Maze kurangiza umukoro wanjye. Mu kanya gato gahise nibwo musoje. She has just arrived. She has just arrived. Amaze kuhagera mu kanya gato gahise. They have just left the office. They have just left the office. Bavuye ku kazi aka kanya nibwo bakihava. We have just eaten lunch. We have just eaten lunch. Tumaze kurya ifunguro rya saa sita nonaha. Nta mwanya urashira dusoje gufata ifunguro rya saa sita. She has just called me. She has just called me. Amaze kumpamagara mu kanya gato gahise. Just ikoreshwa ku gikorwa kibaye aka kanya cyangwa mu kanya gashize. Nta gihe kinini giciyemo. Dukurikizeho already. Already. Already tuyikoresha tuvuga ku gikorwa cyamaze kuba cyangwa se cyakozwe mbere y'igihe wari witeze. Igikorwa cyabaye mbere y'igihe wari witeze ko kiri bubere. Examples: I have already finished my homework. I have already finished my homework. Namaze kurangiza umukoro wanjye kare. She has already arrived. She has already arrived. Yamaze kuhagera. They have already left the office. They have already left the office. Bamaze kuva ku kazi. We have already eaten lunch. We have already eaten lunch. Twamaze kurya ifunguro rya saa sita. Ni ukuvuga byabaye mbere y'igihe twari twiteze. He has already called me. He has already called me. Yamaze kumpamagara. Ni ukuvuga byarangiye yampamagaye mbere y'igihe cyari cyitezwe. Let's compare them. Reka tubigereranye. I have just finished my work. I have just finished my work. Maze kurangiza akazi kanjye. I have already finished my work. I have already finished my work. Namaze kurangiza akazi kanjye kare. Dukurikizeho have been to vs have gone to. We use have been to when someone went to a place and came back. Dukoresha have been to iyo umuntu yagiye ahantu akaba yanavuyeyo. Yagiyeyo anavayo. Yagiye aragaruka. Examples: I have been to Kigali many times. I have been to Kigali many times. Nagiye i Kigali inshuro nyinshi kandi naragarutse. She has been to Kenya. She has been to Kenya. Yagiye muri Kenya kandi yaragarutse. We have been to the zoo. We have been to the zoo. We have been to the zoo. Twagiye muri parike y'inyamaswa kandi twaragarutse. They have been to the market today. They have been to the market today. Bagiye ku isoko uyu munsi kandi bagarutse. He has been to church this morning. He has been to church this morning. Yagiye ku rusengero muri iki gitondo kandi yagarutse. Have gone to. Have gone to. We use have gone to when someone went to a place but has not come back yet. Dukoresha have gone to iyo umuntu yagiye ahantu ariko akaba ataragaruka. Aracyari aho yagiye, ntabwo aragaruka, aracyariyo. Examples: My father has gone to work. My father has gone to work. Papa yagiye ku kazi ariko ntaragaruka. She has gone to school. She has gone to school. Yagiye ku ishuri ariko ntaragaruka, aracyariyo. They have gone to the hospital. They have gone to the hospital. Bagiye ku bitaro ariko ntibaragaruka, kuvuga ko baracyariyo. John has gone to the bank. John has gone to the bank. John yagiye muri banki ariko ntaragaruka, aracyari muri banki. We have gone to the shop. We have gone to the shop. Twagiye ku iduka ariko ntituragaruka, turacyariyo. Difference between have been to vs have gone to. Itandukaniro hagati ya have been to ndetse na have gone to. Reka twifashishe ingero. Mary have been to the supermarket. Mary have been to the supermarket. Mary yagiye muri supermarket kandi yagarutse. Mary has gone to the supermarket. Mary has gone to the supermarket. Mary yagiye muri supermarket ariko aracyariyo, ntaragaruka. I have been to the hospital to see my sister. I have been to the hospital to see my sister. Nagiye ku bitaro kureba mushiki wanjye ariko navuyeyo. Ni ukuvuga nagiye ku bitaro kureba mushiki wanjye, ndamubona, ndangije ndahindukira, ubu nagarutse mu rugo. I have gone to the hospital to see my sister. I have gone to the hospital to see my sister. Nagiye ku bitaro kureba mushiki wanjye ariko ndacyariyo, sindagaruka. Ibuka ko have been to tuyikoresha tuvuga ko wagiye ahantu ariko ukagaruka. Have gone to wagiye ahantu ariko uracyariyo. Never vs ever. Never vs ever. Ever tuyikoresha tubaza niba warigeze gukora ikintu runaka kuva wabaho. Examples: Have you ever been to Rwanda? Have you ever been to Rwanda? Wigeze ujya mu Rwanda? Has she ever seen a lion? Has she ever seen a lion? Ese yigeze kubona intare? Have they ever eaten Chinese food? Have they ever eaten Chinese food? Ese bigeze kurya ibiryo by'Abashinwa? Have you ever met my brother? Have you ever met my brother? Wigeze guhura na musaza wanjye? Never. Never, nta na rimwe. Dukoresha never tuvuga ko ikintu kitigeze kibaho. Examples: I have never been to Kenya. I have never been to Kenya. Sinigeze kujya muri Kenya. She has never driven a car. She has never driven a car. Ntiyigeze atwara imodoka. We have never seen snow. We have never seen snow. Ntitwigeze tubona urubura. He has never told a lie. He has never told a lie. Ntiyigeze abeshya. They have never eaten dog. They have never eaten dog. Ntibigeze barya imbwa. Let's compare them. Reka tubigereranye. Have you ever visited Kigali? Have you ever visited Kigali? Wigeze usura Kigali? I have never visited Kigali. I have never visited Kigali. Sinigeze nsura Kigali. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.